Hi guys, welcome back to another cooking video. Today we're sort of changing it up. Instead of a full-on meat dish, we're doing a pasta dish, which is a ragu alla Bolognese. We'll do it with some spaghetti, and these are the ingredients which we'll be using. Obviously the main part of the dish is minced beef, and we'll also be using some sweet pancetta and some pork sausages as well. And we'll need some vegetables, which we have celery, onions and carrots, and then tomato paste, tomato puree and red wine to complete the sauce, and obviously salt and pepper and olive oil along the way. So yeah, we'll get started with cutting up the vegetables and we'll continue from there. Alright, so finish chopping up the vegetables. One small thing to note is ideally chop the vegetables as fine as possible, so we don't get those large chunks in the dish later. So next step now is a big pot. We'll put some olive oil in there and we'll throw the vegetables in. And it's very important on a pretty lowish to mediumish heat, because we don't want to burn the vegetables, okay? Alright, so we just added the pancetta now. Mainly the reason is we want to try to help the vegetables not to get burned. So the fat from the pancetta will help us with that. We're going to leave this for about 15 to 20 minutes. Keep an eye on it, so stir occasionally and make sure not to burn the vegetables, okay? Alright, so the vegetables are ready and we already added in the minced meat. And next step now is we'll add the sausages. For this, there's just one small step. We'll need to remove the casing of the sausage, and basically it's just making a small incision on the side of the sausage and removing, that casing. There you go. And throw that away. Same thing on the other one. It's fine if it breaks down a little bit. We'll still chop this up a little bit as well. There we go. Alright. And we'll add that to the pot. And finally we need to obviously increase the heat a little bit in the pot, and we'll leave this to cook for about another 15 to 20 minutes. Alright, so we finished browning the minced meat. Next step is to add in the wine. We'll put it in, and we need to wait until the alcohol is evaporated, okay? So the wine is now infused with the meat, and next up is we'll add about 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, and I have here about 350 grams of tomato puree, and we'll add all of that in. Mix it up. Finally, some salt and pepper. And now we'll lower the temperature to really low. We just need to cook it really slowly. And I think this is the part where Elaine's not gonna have so much fun about. I will need to leave this for about an hour and a half. So yeah, so we'll cover this. And we'll see you in about one hour and a half. So the ragu has been cooking for the last hour and a half, and pretty happy with the result. So now the next step is to basically boil the pasta. We'll cook it for a little bit less than the packaging indicates, so then we'll transfer it to the ragu, mix it up and finish the dish. So there we have it, guys, the spaghetti ragu bolognese, and obviously all that's left is a healthy sprinkle of Parmigiano Reggiano. And bon appetit. So hope you enjoyed this video. Certainly took longer than expected, but result looks amazing. Hope you join us for another video next time, and please remember to subscribe to our channel. See you next time, guys.